What's beyond the pilot phase? And what are the core components of the Agile selling enterprise? Well, Agile selling requires a strong infrastructure in order to sustain the critical relationships with customers, channel partners, and other entities. Isn't it ironic that many of the things that are disrupting companies' sales efforts and pursuit of profitable growth are also part of the cure? While mobile technologies and cloud computing are driving the need for change, they also hold massive promise for creating an agile selling organization. Using mobile and cloud solutions can help a company respond rapidly to new market demands, quickly drive new products through the R&D pipeline, share information with customers and partners in real time, and satisfy customers' unique needs. Mobile technology and cloud computing are fueling the development of new flexible and collaborative business processes that are ideal for today's new selling ecosystem. These new technologies also require that the IT organization play a critical role in process development. IT must also support selection and implementation of key supporting technologies and infrastructure much more quickly. And that's why, as they move forward, companies must ensure that the sales and IT organizations are really on the same page. Without tight coordination between sales and IT, technology shortfalls today can prevent the sales organization, both internal and external, from responding as quickly and nimbly as the market demands. Both the CSO and the CIO must be intimately involved across the segments of the sales organization. It's important that they agree on how the sales technology infrastructure and supporting applications will evolve as business needs change. A key gap today. Companies also must choose the right way to implement new agile technologies, a decision that's influenced by two main factors. One factor is what we call business penetration. Business penetration is defined as the extent to which sales, channel partners, and other customer-facing entities and activities need to change to accommodate these new technologies. The other is process intensity. Process intensity is how much the new application affects key business processes. Assessing the situation using both business penetration and process intensity will help companies determine whether they should opt for a plug and play, a trial, a proof of value, or even an iterative transformation approach. I'm sure you've noticed the explosion of mobile device use among sales forces. They enable salespeople to close more deals in a shorter time frame. Smartphones and tablets inject responsiveness and easier access to vital information into the sales cycle. They maximize both speed and efficiency. However, in most organizations we see today, salespeople are still making their own decisions about which technologies to use and how and when to use them. This opens the door to a whole host of potential problems for the larger enterprises. Issues of consistency, standardization, optimization, and security can arise when each salesperson is deciding for themselves what works. Now, these challenges are especially problematic when a company sells through multiple channels. As a result, IT organizations are now charged with building more strategic and standardized mobility technology programs. They must do so without exerting so much control and so many restrictions that effectiveness is essentially compromised. This is just one example of why CIOs should become a valued partner in the sales team's drive towards agile selling. They can do this by improving the global IT operating model through 4 steps. 1. Evolving the company's IT architecture. 2. Building greater flexibility in their IT sourcing. 3. Adapting the IT workforce to today's new technologies. And 4. Running IT more like a business. Additional improvements that can be made include delivering robust partner training and assistance in the areas of sales performance, analytics, and coaching. And running analytics on partner sales forces can generate insights that allows partners to improve their marketing, their lead management, compensation, incentives, and other related activities. Additionally, creating a CSIO role, a Chief Sales Information Officer, may be even more valuable. A CSIO can provide specific technology expertise to the sales organization. They ensure that sales and its network are taking full advantage of the right technologies and tools. Additional benefits could include the ability to assess the data and technology capabilities of existing partners to identify and eliminate waste and bottlenecks, and evaluating prospective partners' data and technology and aptitude in the selection process. Solidifying and perhaps expanding the relationship between the sales and IT teams in an organization is one of the keys to a strong, agile selling ecosystem.